These are two ESP8266s. I chose the ESP12F module. These little guys are full like computer on a chip. These modules have flash and everything all built in. And they're ideal for doing things with the Internet of Things. Just any device in your house that needs to be able to access the Wi-Fi and the Internet, these things will do it. The neat thing is they can also pretend to be an access point. So it is possible to link one to the other. I've already done one test where I linked these to a base station, and if you're curious you can visit that video right there. So just click to the right there. But if you want to see how you can link one to the other and how far they'll really go, I guess not going to show you how, but they will go quite a ways, and you want to see how far, watch this video. I did it as part of that first video's range tests, but the results were just so ridiculous, I had to do it twice. Okay, so I have this little ESP8266 right here. It's an ESP12F module, and I'm connecting it over there. So where it used to be my TP-Link router, now up there I have that little itty-bitty ESP8266 module, and it's acting like a wireless router. So I can connect to it with this guy, just like I did my laptop a moment ago. And this guy's connected to it right here. And it's getting those packets back that I mentioned. So the X means it's able to send a packet to the base station and respond. So right now this is ESP to ESP communication. Let's see how far this goes. We're right now at around 290 meters. And there are orientations of this antenna that work and other ones that don't work. So I don't think I'd want to use this even this far out for ESP to ESP communication, but we're definitely going to keep on going till this puppy stops churning.
Puppies don't churn.
Yeah, I guess you're right. That's a bad, yeah, okay. We're at 420 meters out and this thing's still talking a lot. Like, yeah, there's a lot of positions where it doesn't quite talk and it'll drop, but it's still working somehow, and I don't know, it's kind of surprising. This is all the way here, and that's a long way away. 57 meters, 558 meters, 559. There's not many orientations where it still passes, so this would be a lot of packet dropping right now. Understand though, and remember that packet dropping here means that it just didn't pass the first time. 802.11 tries to retry, except on broadcast packets, which is what we're using. So at least in one direction it's broadcast, the other way is unicast. So the fact that these X's are getting through means it's actually getting through, even though this would constitute a fair bit of packet loss. 600 meters. I would never use it this far, but let's just keep going.
Okay.
It's right on the edge of working. I have to hold it way up in the air and everything's got to be just right. We're at 828 meters. Granted, we're not in line of sight. The last packet I got was 960 meters. I guess I'm gonna have to find a longer straight way, but it totally almost kind of maybe works at this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ESP to ESP is just completely insane. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please feel free to subscribe and keep the eye out for the ESP8285. It's the next thing from Espressif. See you guys. So those results seemed absolutely ridiculous. And now I'm here somewhere completely different, WB&A Boulevard in Maryland. I never realized this road was just so straight until today. I'm going to be trying it again with the ESP module up here, and I'm going to be using the same setup as before with my laptop and GPS. So let's check it out on a completely different place. But only 139 meters and already it's dropping some. Let's see. But yeah, look at that. Oh, gonna keep going like I was before. Some people in my first video mentioned that there weren't any houses around or anything with other Wi-Fi stations, and well, I'm gonna make sure that in this test there are. So 407 meters, this is about how far it went with the regular TP-Link, and depending on how I orient myself and everything, the the signal changes dramatically at this point. So I would never trust an ESP to link here or work. But 407 meters is pretty good. Let's keep going. We're at 531 meters and my laptop has pretty much given up trying to talk to the ESP8266 at the other side. So I think that one's pretty much over. I just connected to just to see how far the laptop would work, and no. But this ESP is still connected, so I'm gonna keep on walking. Still talking. We're at 680 meters. Still talking at 711 meters, but it's getting real spotty. If I just move a little bit, it just kicks out. It's right on the hairy edge. Just barely talking, we're at 800 meters. Wonder if it can go to 900. I don't believe it. It disconnected. I thought it was all over at 850 meters, but it reconnected. It's still going. I don't believe it. I'm at 900 meters and it's still working. Originally, my hypothesis was that it was the environment. Something about that environment made these two ESPs talk for as long as they did. But I can't believe it. We're a kilometer away. It's talking. A whole kilometer. So I had to walk around a little bit, but I finally found a place where it associated. I don't know if it's going to be able to pull an IP at this distance though. Come on. I got in a place where it associated. Can't believe it. Is it going to get an IP though? Is it going to be able to get that IP? Just moving my laptop a few. Oh my gosh, it got it. It got it. Oh, okay, we're going to keep going. 1.036 kilometers. Could this be the end? I think it's the end. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna walk around a bit. I can't believe it's gonna get it here. That's it. It gave up and decided to become a base station itself. That's the end. Well, I got my last packet around here, let's say about 1 1/8 kilometers. And I'm gonna reset the position here and walk back to make sure that there isn't something funny going on with the GPS. So it wasn't a fluke, it really did go over 1 kilometer, and I got the cops called on me. So overall, tonight was a success, yay!